Hi, I'm a part of the international support staff at Camp Ozark. When I received the opportunity to work at Camp Ozark, I knew that I had to take it. This summer has allowed me the incredible chance to work here in the US on a summer work and travel visa that allows me to serve behind the scenes here and travel the US when I leave. I get to meet and work alongside many people from not only my home country, but other countries all over the world. These are some of the best friendships I could have ever asked for. I wanted to serve behind the scenes, so I chose the Super Staff program. Our Super Staff team serves camp in a variety of ways including work crew, kitchen, and cleaning crew. Every day we do our work and fulfill our responsibilities around camp. When we aren't working, we get to hang out with one another, explore the beautiful campus, and enjoy time learning about American culture. I really enjoy serving these kids and playing a vital role in making their experience so wonderful. Seeing them run around all over the camp reminds me that our work is so worth it, even when it gets tough. I am really excited to be able to stay stateside for a couple weeks when the work is done. I am planning to travel and see all the amazing things that America has to offer, like the Grand Canyon, New York, and other famous landmarks. I am thankful for this chance to serve.